G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a great grape pizza. This is really yummy. Let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Now for this, get your pizza base. You can buy one, make one. Get some olive oil and just brush it over the base. Now get some salt. I'm using Himalayan pink rock salt. You can use sea salt. You can just now get some green and red grapes. These are also called white grapes. Cut them in half. Get about a tablespoon of olive oil and pour it over the top. Then get some rosemary. I've just picked this from my garden, and pull the little bits off and put it in there, and then we will mix it. I'll just mix this together. Yeah. Now just put this over the pizza. Now you can, move it around, put it where you want. Now when I said get some grapes, blah blah blah, it really I didn't say how much, just because it doesn't really matter, just however much you want. Now get some Bocconcini cheese. Looks like this. And just sort of crumble it a bit and spread it out. Now you can sprinkle however much you want. I just grabbed one of these. One of these is probably about 30 grams. So once you've crumbled up that, I just crumbled up one of these, then grab a few whole ones like that and just chuck them wherever you want. Now just get some mozzarella, pizza cheese, cheddar cheese, whatever cheese you want. Now through this, I'm not really giving particular amounts, I'm just saying get some, because it's how much you want to add. But if you want to have something that's a little bit more specific and just be able to copy what I do, just look in the description and I'll have how much I use. Then get about anywhere from 1 to 2 tablespoons of pine nuts and just sprinkle over the pizza. Now preheat your oven to 230 degrees Celsius, which is about 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Pop it in there. It should take about 10 minutes. Well, I hope you like this. Look at that and that. That is flaming schleemin' good. I'll see you next time for my next meal.
Simple